This world is changing very fast. So what we are seeing now is that virtualization is the standard. It's no longer the physical world. Now everything has to be virtualized. It means that most of the workloads will be more and more virtualized, meaning that hosting providers has more and more opportunities to develop their business, either for big accounts as disaster recovery, or even for small companies, SMBs, as it's a backup as a service. We just released a study we run in Europe, and with this study stating that 85% of SMBs are suffering backup and replication issues, and even that 33% of their virtual environment is not even backed up. That's why I'm talking about huge opportunity, based on the fact that virtualization now is also the key, that the trust of the public offerings from the cloud providers is increasing. They have to move to the next step. First, they offered hosting of VMs. Now, second step is to offer backup as a service, or even that disaster recovery as a service. We help them to move to the next level. So first, they're hosting the data. Now we are helping them to solve issues in terms of SLAs on capability to restore data. We are let's say, helping them to be able to provide reports on backups that have been done on the security, so they can really commit and let's say, propose new services to their customers. I don't think hosting companies knows enough about data protection. They are investing more and more in that direction. Data is the let's say, largest assets that companies have, the one that has to be protected. If a company is suffering data loss, they may not be able to recover. Hosters and cloud providers hosting this data have to provide their customers with modern data protections and modern backups solutions toward these environments. My advice would be not to focus only on hosting VMs, but on building new services around these VMs, either as disaster recovery as a service, as backup as a service, as migration as a service, even monitoring as a service. Future will be based on the service they are able to, let's say, attach to the first offering, which is hosting VMs.